Hello everybody, my name is Jonathan. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and install Atom, which is a Python and other IDLE and editors. I'm also going to be showing you how to install specific packages for Python to be able to run the code from within Python. A little bit about myself. I am a current student at the Southern New Hampshire University as a game programmer and developer. I am also the lead programmer for CyberTemple. Look them up on Facebook, give them a like. It is run by me and one of my fellow classmates who is cybersecurity. And CyberTemple is basically all about all aspects of IT. As for me, I am also in the process of getting a business up and running called Fire Husky Studios. I create websites, apps, games for both console and PC, as well as PC repair, PC builds, troubleshooting, that kind of thing. But for now, let's just get into downloading and running Python files in Atom. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to atom.io, and this is where you will download the installer for Atom. I currently am going to be downloading the 64-bit installer, although some of you may have a 32-bit system. In that case, you'll have to go to other platforms. However, I believe it should automatically detect your system, but if not, just click on other platforms and it'll take you to this page. So if you have a Mac, you go to the Atom Mac. If you have a 32-bit setup, you can download the Atom setup or the 8664. So it all depends on your system. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and download the Windows 64-bit installer. Now, you can either run it, which I'm not going to run it because I already have it installed, or you can save it to your computer. The difference is if you run it straight from the download, it won't save it to your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. It takes about 5-10 seconds. Da, 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 da. Okay, and with Microsoft Edge, it will automatically run a security scan. And I'm going to open up the folder, and there it is. Now, since I already have it installed, I'm going to go ahead and open it. Okay, now I opened up this is a new file that I'm going to turn into a .py file. However, if you have a previous Python file, you can open one. And because I have scripts on here, where did I have all my scripts? Alright, well, let's just go ahead and oh, there we go. I already have a couple open. I'm not fully awake yet. So this is the one I already have open. Now I have two fully functional scripts on here. This one is a rental car billing script, and this one is a search and replace, which I'll go over in a later tutorial. So now that we have Atom installed, we need to be able to download a file that will allow us to run these scripts from within Atom. So you have to hit Control-Shift-P and then type in installed, and then go to Settings View, Install Packages and Themes. This will allow you to download the packages, allowing you to run Python programs from within here. So we'll type in Python in the search bar, hit enter, and I'll search for all packages that deal with Python. And which one do I have? I don't have one installed. That's good. I have one installed on the other computer though. So this is the one that I normally use. This is the one I have installed on my other computer. So all you have to do is hit install. It'll get it from the cloud or the website. And then once it's downloaded, all we have to do to run a Python file is to hit F5 or F6. Now while that's doing that, I'm going to show you guys some of these. These are some of the scripts from my previous tutorial on YouTube and on CyberTemple's page. These are different things that I taught last tutorial. I taught things of creating variables, creating strings, with simple calculator, and something with a print statement. This one I made is a full Python script that prints out the intros for me. So it's fairly simple once you learn how to do it. And as you can see, it is now fully installed. So let's go ahead and exit that one out, and I'm going to run my rental car billing script. So from the script that you want to run, and in this case it's highlighted that I'm going to be running my rental car script, I simply hit F5, pops up a new command prompt with the file. So I'm going to hit D for daily. Let's do 5 days. Starting odometer, just for the purposes of this tutorial, let's do 101,000. So basically I drove 500 miles. And see, as you can see, it prints out, it runs the entire script that you make. Let's go ahead and do another one. Let's do my intro that I've done. So for my intro, name Jonathan, age 27, occupation student, so forth. And it says print A, name, B, age, C, occupation, and D, hobbies. So once again, if I hit F5, I won't have to do anything with it because it'll just print it out. So that's a tutorial for this tutorial. That's it for this tutorial. I will have a new tutorial for Python 3 uploaded either today or tomorrow, and it's going to be on Booleans, Boolean logic, a brief covering of the loops, and also going over user input. So that's all for today. If you like my video, you can like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I mean, I'm not going to make you do anything, so. But if you found it informative, or if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Send me a comment to the video, send me a message to the CyberTemple's page, which all those will be linked down below. Alright, thank you very much.